Power Equipment Direct. Hey, just want to let you know on a little feature that we have here. If you're looking for an engine, you've determined there's an engine that might fit your application. If you scroll down to the Specs tab and click on the Specs tab, not only will it give you some basic information about that engine, but also to the right, you'll notice there's a product manual available. There's also engine dimensions. The engine dimensions will give you the basic height, length, and width of that particular engine, all based off the center of the crankshaft. These are all things you'll need to know to make sure this engine will fit in your piece of equipment. That's it for today. Just want to let you know. Have a good day.